second topic in section 10.1. We're graphing an ellipse centered at the origin, but this isn't in standard form. So we have 16x squared plus 25y squared equals 400. So what we're going to do first is divide both sides by 400. Why? To make an ellipse in a standard form, you need to have 1 on the other side. Okay? So to convert 400 into 1, we're going to divide everything by 400. So if you have, let's say that you have, I'm just make up a number, 780 on that side, and you're going to divide both sides by 780. Okay? So step number 1, divide everything by 400. So divide that 16x squared by 400 and divide that 25y squared by 400. After that, you and I will have to reduce this fraction, okay? So I'm going to just open up a scientific calculator real quick, okay? I'm going to Google search scientific calculator. And then I want to reduce this fraction 16 over 400, okay? So if I'm going to type in 16/400, the decimal is 0.04, but if I click on this fraction button, I get 1 over 25. So you can just, reduce it however you like. But because I'm on my computer, I'm going to just use that tool. So I have x squared over 25 plus. Now I'm reducing this one, okay? What is 25 divided by 400 reduced? That should be 1 over 16. So I'm going to get y squared over 16. All that equals what number? 1. Now, our equation now is in standard form. We're going to identify the center and distances we need to travel to plot the vertex and co-vertex. Okay? So first, let's find the center. You guys see anything being subtracted from x's and y's? No, we don't, right? So the center is at the origin because there's nothing being subtracted from x, nothing being subtracted from y before they're getting squared. So the center is at 0, 0. Now let's look. The big number is 25 here, right? So this 25 is telling us, and that's under x. So that tells us how many we're going to the right or left. So if you take square root of 25, you will get 5. So what you're going to do is from the center, 0, 0, you go right and left 5 to plot the vertex, okay? Now, how do I know that I'm supposed to go right or left? Well, look, this is the number under x. So that tells me I'm going to right or left. Now, let's look at the next one. The other number under y this time. Underneath y, we have 16. So if you take square root of 16, you get 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up and down. How many? 4 from the center. So let's get all that in the graph paper. So first plot the center at 0, 0. Go right 5, left 5 to plot the vertices. Go up 4 and down 4 to plot the co-vertices. And that's it. That is how you can sketch or graph an ellipse. Okay?